Let's add and subtract these rational expressions. The instructions say to add or subtract, write the answer in lowest terms. Now, if you'll go back to how you add and subtract simple fractions, the rules are the same. So we need to find the least common denominator, get a common denominator, and then add or subtract the numerators. So the least common denominator. Well, the first one has a factor of t plus 3. The second one is a t. The third one can be factored by factoring out a t, so I'll have t times t plus 3. So we see that our least common denominator will be t times t plus 3. Okay, so now let's write our equivalent fractions by multiplying each by the missing value needed to have that common denominator. So the first one is t divided by t plus 3. So it's missing a factor of t. So we will multiply it by t over t. I'm just multiplying it by 1 so it doesn't change its value. Now the second one is plus 8 minus t over t. And it's missing a factor of t plus 3. So we'll multiply it by t plus 3 over t plus 3. The last one already has the correct denominator, so we will just bring it down. So 9 divided by t times t plus 3. Okay, so we have our common denominator. Let's see how we can simplify the numerator. So in the first term we have t times t, that's t squared, plus, and we need to FOIL these two binomials, so I'm going to put me a bracket, and I'll have 8t plus 24 minus t squared minus 3t minus 9 all over my common denominator t times t plus 3. Alright, simplifying further in the numerator, the plus in front of the bracket means that I can pretty much ignore the bracket, so t squared minus t squared is 0. Then 8t minus 3t is 5t. And 24 minus 9 is 15. And that's over my denominator t times t plus 3. Now it also told me to write the answer in lowest terms. Okay, so we need to see if there are any common factors. Well, the numerator I can factor out a 5, and that will leave t plus 3 divided by my denominator t times t plus 3. So I do have a common factor of t plus 3 that I can divide out, so that my answer in simplest form is 5 divided by t. Repeating, just like adding and subtracting regular fractions, get you a common denominator, add and subtract the numerators over that denominator, then reduce by dividing out like factors.